Hello guys, how are you doing? Today let's make some scarf hacks. We're going to make some tops. So we are going to start by folding our scarf into a triangle shape like that, and then this is what we are going to do. Now the next thing is we are going to tie a knot at the back like that to make our top complete, and this is how it looks. And now on to our second top, still on that triangle shaped scarf. We are going to tie a knot by the chest like that, just a simple knot, and then we're going to tie another one this way, and we do the folding so that it can look like a bow, and then we kind of like stretch it like that to achieve our results. And there we have it, our top is done, and this is how it looks. Now on our next top, still on that triangle shape, we are going to tie a knot sideways like that, and then tie it around the shoulder that way. And that's it, the top is done. This is how it looks, simple and amazing at the same time. Now onto our next top, we are going to undo the sleeves, and this is what we are going to do. You gotta watch guys, I don't know how to explain this one. So keep watching and wait for the results. Wait, we are done, and this is how it looks. I love this one, it looks so stylish. Go ahead and try it out. Now on our next top, this is what we are going to do, and then we are going to tie it at the back, and we are done. Thank you for watching guys. Like, subscribe and comment.